Hello, we are now going to do the last problem of the assignment, which is 3f3 in base 16 minus 1cd in base 16. Now this problem looks a little bit like this. So, and to do 3 minus d, because it's in the units column and 3 is smaller than d, we're going to have to borrow from the rods column, which is, so we're going to take away from f, which will leave us with e, and then we get 16 plus 3 is 19. So 19 minus d. d is 13. So we are going to get, so 19 minus 13 equals 6. Now over here we have e minus f. Now like I said, I like to use a number or a number line sometimes because it's easier, especially with this problem with the being over 10. There is letters involved. It gets a little bit confusing for me, so I like to do E. We know is larger than C, so we can do this problem without having to borrow from the next column over, which is the flats. So we can do E minus C. So E is 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. And then 3 minus 1, simple, is 2 as well. So this is 2, 2, 6 in base 16, as seen there. Now, in order to check this, we're going to have to convert everything to base 10. Now here's our problem again. I have it written down. 3f3 in base 16 minus 1cd in base 16 equals 226 in base 16. Now, like we've done with all the other problems, we're going to have to bring it down and break it down to get to break it into base 10. Now, our flats are going to equal 256. Our rods are going to equal 16, and our units are going to equal 1. So here we have 3 times 256 plus f, which is 15, times 16 plus 3 plus 1. Now if we calculate that out, it equals 1011. Now down here, now we're doing 1cd in base 16. We're going to put that into base 10. So 1 times 256 plus c, which is 12, times 16 plus d, which is 13, times 1 equals 461. Now again, here's our thing, 1011, and then we have 461. Now before we do that, we're going to find our base 16 answer in base 10, which is 2 times 256 plus 2 times 16 plus 6 times 1. And this answer comes out to be 550, as seen here. Now we're going to do the 1011 minus 461. We're doing minus again because we're doing a subtraction problem up here. So that answer is then going to be, if you calculate it, is also going to be 550. So these two numbers match, which means that we have the correct answer. So that is the answer for our base 16 of 3f3 base 16 minus 1cd base 16. Thank you.